In this video, we'll be checking out the AOFAR HX-700N rangefinder. I bought this a few months ago with no specific purpose in mind. I just wanted to have one and check it out. It's got a range mode and a speed mode. It's not really waterproof, it's just water resistant, so I probably won't ever take it with me in my kayak. But all right, let's see what we got inside. All right, it's got a little carrying case, battery, the actual unit itself. Looks pretty nice. Feels pretty lightweight. It's got a carabiner with it. Got a lanyard. Got a cleaning cloth. Looks like some instructions. So overall it looks pretty good, feels pretty good. It is IPX4 waterproof, which is not really waterproof at all. It's just splash proof. So I won't be taking this with me in my kayak when I go out. It's got supposedly a speed mode, which I guess if you wanted to look at cars or whatever, it would supposedly tell you the speed. But let's get a battery in this and take it outside and see what it can do. Well, I came out to the swamp area around the St. Francis River and thought I'd, test it out and see how it does. Just trying to figure out how it works on things in the water as opposed to maybe things in town. And we'll see how it does. I really wish I could get some shots through the actual rangefinder, but trying to line up a camera or a GoPro to film through it is just about impossible. Well, I'm out here at a local football field here in town. I figure since it has the yards marked off and should be accurate, I would test out the rangefinder here to see if it's accurate and it keeps the same readings. Well, it stayed consistent. I'm at the 50-yard line and it was equal on both sides on multiple tests. So now we'll take it out in the field and see how it does on random objects. Here in an outdoor archery range, I figured it'd be a good spot to test it since most people will probably use this for bow hunting. It has a 20, 30, and 40 range target. We'll check it out and see how accurate it is. All right, the 20 is right on at 20. That's good. The 30 is exactly 30. And the 40 is exactly 40. Let's take a step forward and see how much it changes. 19 yards for the 20, 28 for the 30, and 39 for the 40. Well, so far it's been very accurate, but we can check the durability. Here's a little drop test from right out in front of me, so about 4 feet, which I know that isn't very much, but let me see if he's still working. She works. So the average height of a deer hunting tree stand is around 20 feet. So I'm gonna stand next to the stump, and I figure I will just toss the rangefinder and see what happens, and hopefully it survives. I'm not sponsored, I paid for this myself. Let's check it out. We'll aim it back at the tree stand or the tree stump and see if it's still working. It's working. It says 11 yards. Well, let's see if we can do it just a little further. Don't see any visible damage. Now we're at 18 yards. Well, I say if it can survive that, it'll definitely survive a drop from a tree stand unless it hits a rock or something. So overall, I like it.